Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to see your saved items in Facebook Marketplace. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are following to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is open up your Facebook app. So I'm going to click on here, just like so. After you open up your Facebook app, next thing you need to do is to simply click on the top right here. This icon, simply click on that. So it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on this icon. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is simply click on saved items. Click on that. Then you have all the items you have saved for future purchase on your Facebook Marketplace. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to see saved items in Facebook Marketplace. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you